Hello everyone, my name is Beibei Liu. You can call me April. Today I want to introduce you guys my game project. It's called Ping Pong Scorekeeper. It's usually used the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript functions to make it. So I'm gonna show you what's this function, what's this game about. So usually it have two players, players 1 and player 2, and you can choose the winning score like 5 and add more scores. If anyone hit the 5 first, who win. So the winning score is they will change the color. The winner is the green color and the opponent is red one. And you can reset the button and you can maybe the winning score is 7, like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, kind of like this, and reset. So I'm gonna show you my coding. Like I have, oh, sorry. So basically I use like an index and the HTML. So for the index part, it's not that complicated. So you can use a container to make the square, make all this game in a square shape, and you can decide it. Use the class, how large it is, offset 1 square, and add a picture, and add the player 0 to 0, and you need to add some ID, and we can use the JavaScript function later. And use the selection button to choose the winning score, and at the end don't forget to add the script to connect your JavaScript file. So this is my JavaScript function. To make it more dynamically, I use the assets each player a variable, use const, and then to add more variables down below so you can use it later. So like a player 1, they have score and they have the button and they have the display, like which color it is, kind of like that. And the player 2, same thing, and of course the reset button and the winning score selected. For all these parts, you need to use the query selection part, so you can connect the button with the scores when you connect it. Yeah, kind of like that. And let's set a winning score equal to 3, and a game over is false. That means just give the game over a Boolean expression like a false or true, so we can use it later. So there's the new function called update scores. We have 2 players, but we don't need to rename it like player 1, player 2. We can name it like a player and opponent. So there's the Boolean expression. So if game over isn't false, that means it's true. So use that exclamation point to express the update meaning. So that means the game continue. So we playing scores +1, and if the winning score, if the player score equal the winning score, the game over. So the game over from Boolean is true, so that means it stopped. And then we can set the color like before, like if that's true, the color will change. The winning color is green, and the opposite is red. Actually, it's not called green, it's called like a success and danger. So we can set the color and use the so for this one, player button is disabled. That means you cannot press any of this button, kind of like this. And you can show the scores. So that's the update score function. So for the P1 button, we use add event listener to connect the players button. So basically, they have the syntax. You have to use the click, and then the function just update the score P1 or P2. If the P2 button clicked, it's update P2 and P1. So that means P2 or P1 can use this function, right? Update scores clears the opponent. So when you score select, same thing, but it's changed. So after we put the here you can see its tab is string, so we need to make this scores to be an integer, so we use a %int we need score and then reset. This part reset is the function 2 is down below, so that means after the game over, after we press the reset button, so the color changed, so back to a default color, and you can click the button player 1, player 2. That means for let's P1 or P2 is more dynamic too. So the score is set to 0, and then the display text content is 02, and we remove the color, both like a success and danger color. And then the disable button is false. That means it is able, so we can press the button. And reset button, click and reset. That means after we click it, it's reset. It's not a function, so we don't need to add the parentheses. So it's just reset down below. The function just used. So yeah, kind of like that. Hope you guys like this project I made. Thanks for watching.